Welcome to
Access granted.
Good day everyone, I am Mr. Vin at your service and welcome again to Let's Figure Out. Mga grade 11 students, proceed na tayo dito sa susunod na function kasi ang first quarter ng General Mathematics ay focus sa functions. So, ano nga ba ulit ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon? Wow! Siyempre ako magsasabi nun, that is rational, function, equation, and inequality. What are their differences? Paano natin yon pag-uusapan? Siyempre may mga titingnan tayo kung anong or hint, no? Yes! Or may mga tips tayo para malaman mo kung siya ay function, equation, or inequality. So, that's right. Yun yung objective natin, to distinguish rational function, rational equation, from rational inequality, or sa isa't isa, no? Paano natin madi-distinguish yun? So, let us now have the definition. What is a rational function? It is a ano yun? It is a change ko lang yung color ng yellow. Yan. It is a function of the form. Ito yung wag niyong kakalimutan. Basta rational function siya. It can be expressed in the form of p of x over q of x, where in p of x and q of x are polynomial functions. And take note of this, q of x is not the zero function. So, ang domain, so ibig sabihin ng domain, lahat, no, permissible values of x, no, or yung mga pwede, no, para syempre makapag-generate ng y, no, or ng f of x ang function ay kahit ano, wag lang yung magiging dahilan para maging zero function yung q of x. So, q of x must not be equal to 0. Okay na? So, siyempre, meron pa akong idadagdag. Ano nga ba? Siyempre, baka nakalimutan nyo. Yung polynomial function. So, of polynomial function p of degree n. So, it can be written in the form of medyo a sub n x sub n plus a sub n minus 1 raised times x sub n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x sub n minus 2 and so on and so forth hanggang makarating kay a sub 1 times x plus a sub 0. And ito lang yan para madali nating matandaan. A sub 0, A sub 1 hanggang kay A sub n, those are the are elements. They are elements of real numbers, and A sub n must not be equal to 0. Kasi siya nga yung sa term na yun kabilang si degree n, no? And ang tawag doon, n is a positive integer. So, kailangan siya ay integer at positive. So, hindi pwedeng maging negative integer yun. And then, yung yung mga yan, summand natin, yung mga yan, ang tawag dyan ay terms, and the constant from a sub 0 up to a sub n are coefficients or numerical coefficients. Ang a sub n natin is the leading coefficient. Ito, a sub n, leading coefficient or leading numerical coefficient, and the leading term yung kasama na si x raised to n or yung specific degree, and a sub 0 obviously is the constant term, no? Halimbawa, sige, bigyan natin example. Halimbawa, x squared plus 2x plus 1. P of x equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, dito, 1 ang kanyang a sub n, tapos x raised to 2. So, n equals to 2. Ibig sabihin, second degree siya kasi 2 yung highest exponent in terms of x. And ang second term natin, which is 2x, ang a sub n minus 1 natin is 2. And x yung x raised to n minus 1. Tapos ang constant natin is positive 1. So, yun lang yun. And tandaan nyo yun, ha? We have rational expression is an expression that can be written as ratio of two polynomials. So, yun yung importance kung bakit natin binalikan yung definition ng polynomial. Yan. Check natin, no? Based dito sa definition ng rational expression, nagre-review lang tayo kasi para mas maging malinaw yung concept nung tatlo, rational function, ang equation at saka inequality. Siyempre, ano yung nakapaloob dun sa tatlo? Common. Meron sa kanilang rational expression. So, alamin muna natin if these examples are expression or not para alam natin kung naintindihan nyo talaga itong ating or definition ng rational expression. X squared plus 2x plus 1 over x minus 1, is it a rational expression? Okay, correct. That is a rational expression. Kasi polynomial itong nasa taas. Ito rin, polynomial of degree 1. No? Wala namang na-violate na rule. Ratio siya o ratio ng dalawang polynomial. Next example. 5 is a constant. Siyempre, polynomial din yan. Kasi yan yung ang katabi talaga niyan is si x raised to 0. Hindi na lang sinusulat yan kasi x raised to 0 is equals to 1. So, 5 times 1 equals 5. And so, polynomial to and another polynomial and then ratio nilang dalawa. That's why B is an example of a rational expression. And how about the C? 10, 9, 8. Okay. Same tayo ng iniisip. That is not a rational expression. Why? Kasi dito pa lang sa numerator, hindi na siya polynomial. Dahil dito sa radical sign. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng radical na to, yan ay kung square root lang, ibig sabihin, second degree lang yan. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung expression na x plus 3 ay naka-raise into a fractional exponent, no? Na 1/2. So, di ba dapat sa polynomial, ang n nun ay n must be, kapag polynomial, n must be a positive integer. no? Bawal ang fraction. So, yun yung naging dahilan kaya si C ay hindi rational expression. And then next ay ayan. So, ratio pa rin siya kasi kung isi-simplify natin to, mas madali natin itong ma-identify kung kung rational expression. Simplify natin. May over 1 yon, syempre. So, cross-multiply natin. It will become 3 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. Polynomial. And then polynomial. That's why yung buong expression ay rational expression. Okay. Eto na yon yung ating focus talaga. Rational equation, rational inequality, and rational function. Definition, rational equation, an equation involving rational expression. O, yun. Involved si rational expression. Eto lang, di ba? Kapag equation, tandaan lang natin na may equal sign, no? So, each term dyan, or dun sa equation kasi, di ba, may left and right side. Yung left side, kailangan siya ay rational expression. Yung left side ay another rational expression, no? Kaya rational equation yung tawag natin dahil dito ay equal sign. In rational inequality, involved ulit si rational expression. Check natin. This is an example of a rational expression. Another example of a rational expression. And naging rational inequality siya dahil dito sa inequality symbol. Ano-ano nga ba ulit yun? So, syempre, kung hindi equal, pwedeng less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Yun yung mga rational inequality. So, yan yung mga inequality symbol. No? Ito, 4. Yan. Okay. Rational function naman, a function of the form, nasabi na natin yan kanina, are polynomial, and take note ulit, q of x is not the zero function. So, ito yung example niya. Rational expression, and then another rational expression, or polynomial over polynomial. No? So, pasok yan sa characteristic kaya siya ay rational function. And take note of this, a rational equation or inequality can be solved for x values that satisfy the equation or inequality, whereas we solve an equation or inequality. We do not solve functions. Yun ang kaibahan. Si equation at saka si inequality, pwede nating isolve. Pero si function, hindi natin sinusolve yung specific value ng x na to. Rather, we expresses a relationship between two variables such as x and y, and can be represented as by a table of values or a graph. Yun siya. So, sa function, tandaan nyo, kapag may specific value ng x, may na-generate na y. So, kaya nga siya pwede ring i-graph sa Cartesian coordinate plane. So, pero pwede rin naman itong solution natin sa rational equation at saka inequality graph. No? Yun nga lang, anong kaibahan? Rational equation or inequality can be solved for all x that satisfy the equation or inequality. While function is just expressing the relationship between two variables such as x and y. Okay? Malinaw? So, determine whether the given is a rational function, equation, inequality, or none of these. So, check natin kung naintindihan nyo yun. Or natin. Is this an example of a... What is this? This is an example of a rational ano yan? Correct. Inequality. Pwede natin i-sort yung rational. Lagay na natin kung function, equation, or inequality. Next. Okay. Wala. None of these. Ang reason, ito. May radical, no? Next. Okay. Correct. This is a function expressing the relationship between x and y, and this is an equation because of the equality symbol. Ito ay rational expression, then another rational expression. How about this? Okay, none of these. Dahil ulit dito. And then F. What is this? Correct. Equation. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung equation at saka function, the same ng may equal sign. Ayan. Pero ang pinagkaiba sa function, may dalawang variable. Kalimitan, x and y dun. Tapos sa equation, kalimitan, x. No? Okay. That's it. That's all for today. At sana naintindihan nyo what is the difference between rational function, rational equation, and rational inequality. First part pa lang to. Yung susunod na episode with regards to rational function. Siyempre, bago tayo mag-proceed doon, discuss muna natin yung rational equation, how to solve rational equation, and how to solve rational inequality. Paano nyo masusundan yun? Siyempre, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga nangyayari. Salamat muli. God bless you all. Have a nice day.